Configuring an Authorize net payment form is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. To begin, you need to have an Authorize net account and a website or application where you want to integrate the payment form. First, log into your Authorize net account and navigate to the Account section. Here, you will find your API login ID and transaction key, which are required to configure the payment form. Next, choose the type of payment form you want to integrate, such as a simple payment form or a secure payment form with tokenization. The simple payment form is suitable for basic transactions, while the secure payment form with tokenization provides an additional layer of security by storing sensitive customer information securely. To configure the payment form, you will need to generate the HTML code for the form. This code includes fields for customer information, such as name, address, and credit card details. You can customize the appearance and layout of the form to match your website or application. Once you have generated the HTML code, you need to integrate it with your website or application. This involves copying and pasting the code into your website or application and configuring any additional settings, such as the payment gateway and currency. After integrating the payment form, you need to test it to ensure it is working correctly. You can use the Authorize Net Sandbox environment to test the payment form without processing live transactions. Best practices for configuring an Authorize net payment form include using secure protocols, such as HTTPS, to protect sensitive customer information and complying with payment card industry data security standards to prevent data breaches. Additionally, you should regularly update your payment form to ensure you have the latest security patches and features. By following these steps and best practices, you can configure an Authorize net payment form that is secure, reliable, and easy to use. This will help you to provide a seamless payment experience for your customers and increase conversions.